This tutorial explains the difference between positional and tag-based fields, and single-line and multi-line templates. The easiest way to set up a data extraction from a tabular data layout is using positional fields. You do not create positional fields one by one. They are created by TextConverter from a sample tabular line. Field positions, widths, data types, and other properties are determined automatically. Light adjustments may be needed for the created setup. In this case, we need to get rid of line 3, which does not belong to the template. We can do that by specifying that the field, last name, should not be empty. The single-line tabular template with 10 positional fields is set. Positional fields allow certain variations of horizontal positions, but in general, tabular templates rely on uniform column positions throughout input documents. Now let's consider another type of data layout. This sample consists of repeating segments of property listings. You can see that the vertical arrangement of each block is constant. This type of data layout is a good candidate for a multi-line positional template. Let's select all lines comprising the segment and set up the template from these lines. You select multiple lines by clicking on the first and last lines while the Shift key pressed. The template is set, the positional fields from different lines go into the same output record. Let's check if the fields require any adjustments. There is a missing block. The reason why this segment was not picked up by the template appears in the status bar when you click on any line of the segment. The field P30 on line 9 is the reason. It's set to be numeric, but the value is not a number in this segment. You can change the field's data type to string, or you can set to ignore the data type for filtering. Other blocks look okay. The same template can have positional and tag-based fields. Let's add remarks as a tag-based field. We highlight the multi-line value of the field and add a tag-based field by value. TextConverter suggests the most probable labels for the field. Let's pick remarks. Now let's take a different approach to extracting data from this layout. Instead of using a multi-line template, we'll use tag-based fields. They can be added by tag or by value. Highlight a label and add a field by tag. You can also highlight multiple tags and add many fields at once. Remarks is a multi-line field. Let's adjust it by highlighting its value and setting it as a placeholder for the field. We cannot know for sure how many lines this field can potentially occupy. Let's change the limit to a reasonably large number. Now it extends farther than we need. We can limit the vertical extent by the bottom tag property. Remarks value should not go beyond the field date listed. Let's copy that tag and paste it into the bottom tag property. This date can be used as another stop tag. We create a regular expression mask from it and add it to the bottom tag property. The setup is finished. In this lesson, we have learned the basic behavior of positional and tag-based fields, as well as single and multi-line templates. More complex layouts and TextConverter data extraction options will be explored in following tutorials.